Welcome to this guided meditation by SerenityZen, where our goal is to assist you in letting go of traumas and welcoming peace into your mind. Before we begin, find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down, ensuring there will be no interruptions for the next 15 minutes. Begin by closing your eyes gently, allowing the external world to fade away. Turn your attention inward to the sacred space within you. Start by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose, letting the cool air fill your lungs to their full capacity. Hold that breath for a moment, noticing the life force within you. Now, release the breath slowly and deeply through your mouth, letting go of all tension and stress. As you continue breathing, imagine the rhythm of your breath forming gentle waves on a peaceful shore. Inhale, the wave builds up, powerful and serene. Exhale, the wave gently crashes onto the shore, washing away any tension. With each breath, you're diving deeper into a state of relaxation. Your mind becomes clearer, like a serene lake on a windless day, reflecting only the present moment. Imagine now that you are surrounded by a protective, gentle mist. This mist is infused with pure healing energy. As it touches your skin, it begins to soothe and heal. Feel its coolness, its nurturing embrace, as it envelops you completely. Within this mist, visualize a white, healing light descending from above. It gently touches the crown of your head and begins to flow downwards. This light is pure, tranquil, and carries with it a promise of safety and love. It flows through your forehead, eyes, easing any strains. It caresses your throat, chest, flowing ever so slowly but surely towards your toes. Now that you're deeply connected to this serene state, let's journey, not into the sources of pain, but to a place of pure safety and security. This could be a memory or simply an imagined sanctuary. Feel the love, the warmth, and the gentle embrace of this space. Now imagine a gentle, flowing stream in front of you. The water is clear, and the sun reflects shimmering patterns on the rocks below. Listen to the calming sound of flowing water and the soft rustling of leaves in the trees. Each trauma, pain, or negative memory can be visualized as a leaf. Pick up a leaf. Place a trauma upon it, and gently set it down into the stream. Watch as it floats away, carried by the gentle waters, distancing itself from you. Continue this process, taking each trauma or painful memory, placing it on a leaf, and letting the stream carry it away. Allow yourself to feel the release as each leaf drifts farther from you, knowing that with each each passing moment, you're becoming lighter and more at peace. As you watch the last leaf float away, take a moment to appreciate the strength it takes to face these traumas and let them go. Honor your resilience and growth. Bring your attention back to your breathing. Feel the rhythmic rise and fall of your chest. With every inhale, breathe in fresh hope, love, and strength. And with every exhale, release any lingering tension or discomfort. Imagine that white, healing light from earlier beginning to form a protective shield around you, ensuring that you remain centered and grounded in your newfound serenity. Gradually become aware of your surroundings, the surface you're sitting or lying on, the temperature of the room, and any ambient noises around you. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, slowly awakening your body. And when you feel comfortable, open your eyes, returning to the present moment, carrying with you peace and tranquility from this meditation. Thank you for joining us on this journey with SerenityZen. Remember that healing is a continuous process, and with every passing day, you're moving towards a brighter, more harmonious self. Be kind and patient with yourself. Namaste.